Let's learn together. Are you ready to embark on a journey of discovery and fun? Hello, my wonderful friends. It's Sonali here, and I'm thrilled to start this adventure with you. Together, we will explore the wonders of learning in the most exciting ways. Today, we're going on a mission to boost our amazing brains with fun activities. These activities are designed to make learning an enjoyable experience. Real learning is an adventure, exploring, asking questions, and discovering new things every day. It's about being curious and eager to learn more. Our brains are like superheroes, and they need exercise to get stronger. Just like superheroes, our brains can achieve incredible things with the right training. The best brain exercises are games and activities that make us laugh, move, and think. These activities help us grow smarter and happier. You don't need fancy toys, just your curiosity, imagination, and a big smile. With these, you can create endless possibilities. We'll try 10 activities, each helping a different part of your brain grow. Each activity is a step towards becoming a more well-rounded individual. Some will make you a better observer, others a fantastic storyteller, and some will get your body moving. Each skill is important in its own way. Most importantly, we'll learn how to be kind, because a kind heart is the best superpower. Kindness makes the world a better place for everyone. There are no right or wrong answers, just have fun and try your best. Remember, every effort counts and every mistake is a chance to learn. Ready? Let's dive into our first activity and begin this wonderful adventure together. Let's make this journey memorable and full of joy. Our first activity is the magical story jar, a wonderful way to unlock your creativity and have fun with friends or family. It's a simple game designed to spark your imagination and get everyone thinking outside the box. All you need is a jar and some colorful slips of paper. Write a fun word on each slip, words like dragon, river, or even spaceship and castle. Then pick 3 words at random and challenge yourself to create a story using all of them. Your story can be silly, magical, adventurous, or anything you imagine. This activity is a fantastic way to help your brain connect new ideas, practice creative thinking, and work together as a team. Every story you tell makes your imagination stronger, your language skills sharper, and your confidence grow. Keep adding new words and inventing new stories. There's no limit to what you can create, and your brain will thank you for the challenge. Remember, creative thinkers solve problems and make the world more interesting. So keep that story jar full and let your imagination soar. Ready for an adventure at home? Become a shape detective. Hunt for circles, squares, rectangles, and triangles around your room. Shout them out when you find them. This sharpens your observation skills and helps you see the world as shapes and patterns. You're learning real-life geometry and scientific thinking just by playing. Architects and artists use shapes every day. Now you're thinking like them. Keep looking for shapes wherever you go, and you'll see the world in a whole new way. The world is built from shapes. Start spotting them. Time to move. Stand tall, lift one leg, and try to balance for 10 seconds. Switch legs and see which side is easier. Try raising your arms like a tree reaching for the sun. This game builds your balance, focus, and patience, skills you'll use in sports and life. When you wobble, take a deep breath and find your center. Balancing teaches you to stay calm and steady, even when things get tricky. Practice being a super balancer. You'll be ready for anything. Become a secret agent of kindness. Make a card to brighten someone's day. Draw something cheerful and write a kind message like, "Thank you," or "You make me smile." It's not about perfect art. It's about the love you put into it. This activity teaches empathy and gratitude, helping you build strong, happy relationships. Kindness is a superpower. It always comes back to you. A small act of kindness can change someone's day. Look for ways to make someone smile every day. Your kindness makes the world better. Time to be an engineer. Build the tallest tower you can with blocks, cups, or books. Start with a wide, strong base and see how high you can go before it tumbles. Experiment with different shapes. Are squares easier to stack than circles? When your tower falls, think about why and try again. You're learning about gravity, stability, and problem solving, just like real engineers. Every great builder starts with one block. Don't be afraid if it falls. Rebuild it even better. Keep experimenting and have fun. Let's play with light and shadow. In a dark room, shine a light on a wall and use your hands to make shadow puppets. Try making animals. Can you create a bird or a dog? Move your hands to see how the shadows change. Tell a story with your puppets. Let your imagination run wild. This activity boosts creativity and teaches you about how light and shadows work. Shadow puppetry is an ancient art. Now you're part of that tradition. Turn down the lights and let your show begin. You're the director and storyteller. Become a nature explorer. Take a small box outside and collect treasures you find on the ground. Leaves, stones, twigs, or feathers. Notice the colors, shapes, and textures of each item. This activity sharpens your observation and helps you appreciate the small wonders of nature. Be gentle. Only collect what's already fallen. Your treasure box is a reminder of nature's beauty. Happiness is often found in simple things. Look at your treasures later and remember your adventure. Nature gives us gifts every day. Just notice them. Shh. Let's play the listening game. Close your eyes and listen as someone makes different sounds. Can you guess what they are? This game sharpens your hearing and concentration. Your brain works hard to picture what you hear, building memory and imagination. Being a good listener helps you learn and be a better friend. Focus on sounds and don't get distracted. Practice listening every day. You'll be amazed at what you discover. Listening is a super skill. Time for giggles. Play the mirror game with a partner. One person moves, the other copies like a reflection. Try funny faces, silly dances, or waving arms. Switch roles and see who can be the best mirror. This game builds observation, focus, and empathy. You learn to notice tiny details and understand another person's perspective. Mirroring teaches you about non-verbal communication, body language, and feelings. It's a fun way to connect and build friendships. Move together and laugh together. Let's talk about feelings. Draw circles on paper and make faces for different emotions: happy, sad, angry, surprised, and more. Give each feeling a color. This chart helps you name and understand your emotions. When you can name a feeling, you can handle it better. All feelings are okay. It's normal to feel happy, sad, or even angry. Use your chart to show how you feel when words are hard. Emotional intelligence means being smart about your feelings. Express your emotions in healthy ways. Your feelings matter. Wow, we did 10 amazing activities together and learned so much without a textbook. Isn't it incredible how much we can discover just by doing things ourselves? We learned science by building towers, art with shadow puppets, and kindness with cards. Each activity taught us something new and exciting. Real learning happens everywhere, when we're curious, when we look around and ask questions about the world. Play, explore, and let your imagination run wild. That's how we learn best. Moving your body wakes up your brain. It's like giving your mind a little boost of energy. Asking questions is powerful. Always ask, why? It helps us understand things better and see the world in new ways. Being kind creates a happy space for learning. When we help each other, we all grow together. असली सीखना हमारे चारों ओर होता है. यह हर जगह है जहां हम देखते हैं. सीखना मतलब कुछ करना, हिलना डुलना और खेलना है. यह मजेदार और रोमांचक है. सवाल पूछना और जिज्ञासु होना बहुत जरूरी है. यह हमें नई चीजें सिखाता है। दयालु होने से हमें सीखने में मदद मिलती है। यह हमारे दिलों को भी खुश करता है। Your learning journey has just begun. Keep exploring and spreading kindness. Remember, every day is a new opportunity to learn something amazing. What a fantastic journey. You've been storytellers, detectives, engineers, and more. Remember, your brain gets stronger the more you use it in fun, creative ways. Stay curious. Every question leads to a new discovery. For more fun, check out learning tools and activities on Universal Gadgets. Live and netbaz.in with a grown-up's help. Always have an adult with you for safety. Thank you for joining me. Keep playing, learning, and being kind. Your potential is limitless. Until next time, keep smiling and stay curious. Happy learning.